Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here again. We're continuing our rational word problem study. So we are now up to total earnings. So it sounds like money's involved. So here's our first question. Alex works at the local auto body shop. He earns $17.21 per hour. That's pretty good. How much money will Alex earn if he works 10.5 or 10 and a half hours? So I'm not going to do this one for you, but I will set it up based on the information I know. He earns, and I'll put a dollar sign there because I'm comparing hours to dollars. How do I know? It says it's $17 per hour, 17 and 21 per 1 little hour. So I'm setting up as proportions. You remember proportions. If you forgot, just check out my video on proportional relationships. And we want to know how much will he earn. And so I'll put an X here for 10.5 or 10 and a half hours. So I'll leave it for you to figure out how much is X. So hopefully you will remember that. And again, look up my proportional relationship video if you forgot how to solve X. So that's important to know, though. But this one I really want to take a little more time with because it really deals with people who work a little bit more than they're supposed to. So we're going to talk a little bit about your earnings, but overtime, or time and a half in this case. So Ava earns $20 per hour for the first 25 hours she worked in a week. So in 1 week, she earns $20 per hour for 25 hours in a week. She gets paid 1.5 times, or a time and a half, that amount per hour for any hours beyond 25. How much will Ava earn if she works 30 hours? So it seems as though she went beyond her 25-hour work week. And that's important to know because how many hours did she go beyond that? Well, if we subtract 30 minus 25, that'll give her 5 hours of overtime. So she did 5 extra hours of overtime. Now that she did the overtime, let's first find out how much she makes in a regular week. So we would find that by multiplying her $20 per hour times 25 hours. That would give her a base salary of $500. So that's how much she normally earns in 1 week. So we multiply the number of hours you work by the price, and that could help you out with the previous question, by the way. And that gives you her base salary. Well, now that you know her base salary, let's start dealing with this overtime business. She gets paid 1.5 times that amount. What amount? The $20 amount per hour for any hours beyond 25. Well, we know she worked 5 extra hours overtime. It says it right there in the top. But she's going to get paid a time and a half, which is 1.5 times $20. So that'll be her overtime salary, the amount of money she gets paid per hour, plus they're paying her time and a half, 1.5, times the 5-hour total amount of overtime hours she worked, the extra 5 hours. So she's going to get a total of $150 extra into her salary. So that's her overtime. So when you work overtime for your employer, you get extra money for doing that. And they pay you what's called time and a half. Some people get double time. But that's another lesson. So $150 is what she gets extra. So now what we need to find is how much will she earn in the 30 hours? Well, this is the extra 5 hours that she gets. Here's the 20 hours that she gets. So let's find her total base salary. Her total base salary is her total salary, is going to be the base salary, which was the $500, plus the extra amount she got, which is $150. So $150 plus $500 will give us $650 will be her total salary. So that's going to be the total amount that she earns for working those 5 extra hours. Now we know she normally earns $500, $20 times the 25 hours. She normally works every week, but the boss asked her, well, it's busy, say like on Christmas holiday, can you work 5 extra hours or an hour extra every day, Monday through Friday? And if she agrees to it, they'll pay her extra 1.5 times the $20 amount. So she gets an extra $150 for working those extra 5 hours that week. And so she brings home to her family the $500 that she normally gets, but the bonus money or extra overtime money, $150, for a total of $650. So Ava, spend your money well. And ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed our movie. We have come down to the end of this segment today. So hopefully you'll watch our videos on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Write us a comment. Excuse me. And we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Excuse me. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends and neighbors. Look for our commercial coming out really, really soon. PKMS Math Prep 21. And it's a good commercial. My students saw it and we were talking about it. So treat me at DRob Math 1. So next time we meet, we're going to go on and start talking about banking. More money. So I hope you enjoyed our presentation. Remember, write us a comment. I do write back. Thank you.